In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify, easy and fast. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Apps section. This is where you'll add tools that extend your store's features. From there, choose All Recommended Apps to browse trusted options directly from the Shopify App Store without leaving your admin. In the list, find Judge.me product reviews. This app lets you collect, display, and import product reviews, including reviews sourced from AliExpress, and it works well with most Shopify themes. Click to open it, then select Install. You'll see a permissions screen. Review the details so you know what the app can access, and confirm to continue. If you're asked about a plan, note that there's a free option you can start with and upgrade later if needed. When the app opens, you'll land on a quick onboarding flow. Click Next to move through the prompts. If you encounter optional setup screens that you're not ready to configure, choose Skip for now. You can come back to them once the core setup is complete. If a recommended setting is highlighted on the screen, accept the suggestion to keep things simple, then continue with Next. To make reviews visible on your storefront, enable the app Embed. This will open your theme editor with the Judge.me embed available. Turn the embed on if it isn't already, then click Save in the top right corner. Saving here activates the underlying code so the widget can appear on your product pages. Head back to the onboarding and click Next. Now choose Install Review Widget. This places the review section onto your product template, typically below your product details and description. When prompted, acknowledge with Got it, then save again in the theme editor to lock in the placement. Return to the Judge.me setup and continue clicking Next until you reach the completion screen. At this point, the app is installed, the embed is active, and the review widget is ready to display content on your product pages. You're now set to import reviews. Inside the Judge.me dashboard, you'll find import tools designed to bring in reviews from external sources, including AliExpress. Use those when you're ready and apply filters, such as rating or country, to keep your testimonials relevant and trustworthy. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Open a product page in a new tab to confirm the widget is visible. If it doesn't show immediately, clear your cache or do a hard refresh. If your theme is heavily customized, adjust the widget's block position in the theme editor to match your layout. You can fine-tune moderation, translations, and email requests later from the app's settings. That's it. Your store is ready for fast, reliable review imports.